is like the biggest engine ever.
I think they have like something like fucking 86 horsepower or something. What? Probably 3 foot. That's probably 3 foot. Trans is probably fucking 4 foot. Somebody had redone it. I think somebody touched it up.
Well, I mean, the motor's got good paint on it.
That's what I said. That's why I say that I'm pretty sure that he did something to it. This is still the 6-volt. It's either called Henry or Lucas system. Everything is ass backwards. The body is basically positive. You ground everything. Everything is ass backwards. Your positive is negative, negative is positive. Everyone would just have a mind fuck of a car. Buy something that has the Lucas system. I don't know how I would pull it. Such half-ass monopoly. You should have a real air chuck. Don't even got a real air chuck. Hold on. Got half-ass it here. Hold on. I bet you there's probably a colony of mice in this fucking thing.
It's been a long time.
This is the Trump Tower of mice. Probably manual 1/4-inch valves, man. Just when you're a half-ass hot rodder, you just gotta get shit up in the air. You know that solenoid shit, but she's old faithful. She'll do what she gotta do.
What's the plan here?
I'll put some blocks on. Wow. Really goddamn different.
What are you doing? There we go.
Blocks. Cause she's got some leaks. Absolutely. Only one of them runs.
2 of them run.
At least 2. So,
This engine will come out somehow.
I want to pull. Jefferson Starship. Cheap beer. Cheaper beer.
Being noisy today.
Come on, you fucking whore. You bet! Bet your ass! horse Kawasaki. Woo! Dude, it did. It had no fucking problem. No, it didn't even bend the fucking trailer hitch none. And we can close the garage door.
Once again, high five.
Bitch. Fuck yeah. Rip it. I like it. She fires up. She got one of them new Predators in her. Yeah, she's a happy little camper, man. Punch it.
So why don't you educate the people on what this is? What is this car?
It was originally 1913 Titanic 4-cylinder. Unfortunately, it's inside this car and it's got to come out. Packard.
What year?
It's a 228 Thunderbolt. It's a 53. This is actually a 53 Clipper. Has a 2-speed power glide in it. It's the original transmission. I'm pretty sure it actually has like an older Ford front load 9-inch in it.
A front load 9-inch.
I like the pumpkin enters from the front, you know what I mean? You can take the,
Oh,
you know what I mean?
okay,
It kind of
yeah.
bolts from the front. Yeah, we're gonna probably keep that rear end. We're gonna see how long it lasts. I believe we're gonna be putting a 455 out of a 71 Buick Skylark.
Little rumble.
A little bit of more rumble, get a little good cam in there. It'll be driven a lot. You know, it's good. It's a heavy fucking car. So Buick Skylarks are heavy as hell too. So
Just take a look at how massive this boat is for a sec. It takes up the whole bay.
Close, man.
Almost the whole bay.
Almost as long as the truck.
So we got the hood. I got this front accessory loose.
Shouldn't be much holding that hole.
No.
Big old beluga horns.
Beluga.
That carburetor might get damaged in the process of removing the motor. Probably take the linkage off. Probably this air compressor. That generator might be a process problem. Bottom rat hose so we can make a mess on the floor. Trans linkage. Yep. Well, we're a little bit further than last time.
Almost ready to come out.
Lack of distributor cap. This thing is huge. This thing is literally massive.
It is. This is a massive engine. And it's gonna come out.
Radiator out.
Yep.
Racing out.
Motor mounts are undone.
The back out. I'm gonna do this exhaust. Yeah, we're moving pretty good in it. Bolts on either side for the actual mount that holds the tram. If you undo the two options we can do it. Take it off, Under there with a pry bar and lift it while I'm doing it. The 6 mounts that are on the frame, the whole thing kind of will drop. Trans will just drop. So we're gonna have to then take it back off the jack stand and just push the car back, motor out, and throw it on the ground somewhere.
Drive shaft's undone. Trans mount's undone.
Right? You got everything out? Yeah.
Get all the tools out of here.
This thing sits low, man, when she's aired off. You know what I mean when I'm telling you about aired off?
Yeah, it's way off the mounts. Look at that. She wants to come out.
Really should be it.
Whoops.
So half-assed.
She's out.
Fucking out, made a mess. As expected.
A little bit. You can literally put anything you wanted in that engine bay.
I'm not set on anything. No, it needs to come out.
"7 feet long. From crank pulley to tail shaft. That is insane.
86 horse.
Straight 8.
Dumb motor. Whatever, somebody wants it for something.
Motor's out.
I'm standing where a motor used to be. Pretty satisfying feeling, I can tell you that. It's out. Plenty of room for something else cool to go in here. I don't know what's going in there yet. What are we gonna put in there? I don't know. Type 4 rate.
Guess you're gonna find out. I don't think that was that bad of a job though.
No, I think it went smooth. There was just a couple hang-ups. The stupid little things, there was no sensors, nothing crazy like that, just some linkage. It was a lot easier doing both engine and trans combo coming out. With the swap, I do see a few things that we might run into. I'd like to get the original speedometer to work. It's a cog driven off the gear on the transmission. So there's a few things that we gotta figure out. Some of that has to kind of calculate for what we buy next. It's gotta be something big. It's got a truck motor maybe. Some old 70s Buick motor. I don't know. Something 12 volt. No more 6 volt.
About it. We're gonna get the people all amped up. Now they're gonna want to see us work on that thing. Soon.
We'll see. That's what you get for not running.